countdown timer.
Challenger day 1. This is our rocket. 1 with a big rocket on the side of it, like a Challenger. It's cold. Challenger. I'm sorry if you're offended by the Challenger joke. I don't give a shit. Hooked it up. Initiators. Initiator.
We go for the Challenger anniversary.
We got the Challenger anniversary, everyone. There's a battery. Nice big battery and whatnot. So, here's our captain.
Pilot.
Our pilot, I should say, yeah. We're gonna wait till the wind calm before we set this thing off. Get those initiator cables. Grab the initiator. Pilot!
I'm dreaming of going to the moon.
Boys, we're going to the moon.
Kind of close here.
I feel like Shane Dawson, like, yeah, you are kind of close, but I don't really care. Yo, go on the other side of the wind. Go over, because it's shooting. It's gonna shoot this way. Because look at the.
What do you mean? Should I start it from the grass?
Okay, go over here. Because the rocket, the booster's facing this way, so it's gonna shoot that way at the house, kind of.
It's still kind of close.
Yo, it's cool, bro. Just jump back. All right. Countdown.
Got the timer in the frame.
Countdown. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It went.
I heard it. Don't get near it, bro.
Are you filming?
I'm filming.
Dude, I think the thing burnt out inside there.
Fuck, yo.
I
don't wanna get near it.
I heard it go.
I did hear it. Thing got up real quick.
I heard I saw the little smoke come out.
Alright, we need a brave recruit. You have the glasses, so you're going over there. Moments of Blake Perkins, ladies and gentlemen. Follow the moments.
Yeah, see?
Burnt out?
It went, but it didn't go.
Alright, go get the other one then.
This is our last shot to launch challenge.